How to turn on or turn off swipe to call or text in phone or in contacts on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone app. Then tap on the more button. From the pop-up, tap on settings. Now in call settings, we scroll down and then tap on other call settings. Next, tap on swipe to call or text. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch it on. When this is turned on, if you go back to the phone app, we can swipe to the left to text, or we can swipe to the right to make the call. So that is a handy shortcut allowing you to quickly make a text, send a text message, or to make a phone call. And that's it. So that is for the phone app. You can do the same for the contacts tab. So you tap on that. In here we can swipe across to make a phone call or send a text message. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.